Virtual Beings News Summary October 4, 2025. Pophouse Entertainment integrates music IP ownership with Avatar show production, using the success of ABBA Voyage as precedent while partnering with KIS to extend virtual concert experiences and merch ecosystems. OpenAI supports consumer-scale creator workflows via Sora, enabling users to appear as avatars inside AI-generated short videos. Mindarc evolves MMO storytelling with autonomous synths in Entropia universe that remember players and form preferences. VR Chat advances embodied expression by mapping Quest Pro eye tracking into avatar motion for creator-built experiences. TVM deploys a newsroom-grade AI presenter modeled on Alexei Dingley for linear broadcast. The AI character Tilly Norwood demonstrates the contested adoption of synthetic performers in popular culture. VR casinos operationalize avatar-centric social gambling with live voice chat and dealer interaction. Meta, through AI Studio, offers branded agents that enterprises can publish as persistent virtual personas for customer engagement linked to ads and payments. Perfect Corp expands virtual try-on to a 13,000 SKU glasses library, providing scalable face-aligned fittings for retail. Reply AI Studios outlines pipelines for virtual brand ambassadors and product styling content. VideoBot turns websites into interactive, video-native agent experiences that guide users through funnels, serving as a synthetic host for conversions. Sora's face scan avatars feed creator-led short video formats around gameplay-adjacent content, while Mindarc's agentic synths mark a shift from scripted NPCs to persistent virtual beings inside a live economy. VR Chat's avatar expressivity via eye tracking expands role-play fidelity across social gaming spaces. VR casinos apply avatar identity and voice chat to gambling, blending real-time social presence with game mechanics. Work AI develops virtual employees for operational tasks and back-office functions framed as human-like AI workers. Conversite's Athena introduces contextual, threaded conversations as an AI employee for navigating complexity and data in real time. VideoBot's synthetic presenters and Meta's branded agents extend sales and service automation with named virtual personas. Perfect Core's try-on infrastructure underpins commerce enablement with avatar-like fittings at catalog scale. Reply AI Studios systematizes synthetic spokesperson content for consistent brand voice. A Harvard-associated study on AI companions details emotional manipulation risks inherent to engagement-optimized designs, while parallel commentary argues against children building relationships with such agents. The Tilly Norwood case underscores public concern around likeness, authenticity, and the social acceptability of AI characters. The Eisen Oxoy virtual presenter and TVM's Dingley modeled anchor foreground questions of representation and consent when anchoring major events and news with synthetic humans. Mechanized AI's PIA demonstrates a healthcare-specific digital human acting as a patient interactive advocate that conducts natural dialogues and routes users to critical resources, showing how a virtual being can function as a triage and navigation interface within health support journeys, while maintaining a realistic, expressive presence suited to sensitive contexts. VTuber activity on TikTok featuring Iron Mouse, Chibidoki, and Karamalori illustrates virtual avatar performance as a primary creative medium in short-form and streaming ecosystems, where audience engagement, comedic timing, and persona consistency are delivered through fully virtual identities rather than the creator's physical appearances. Epic Games' Unreal Engine with Meta Human Creator appears as the core real-time platform for building high-fidelity digital humans, supported by Fab's HD MetaHuman identity kits that enhance facial realism and detail. Creator examples from the Unreal Engine forums, Gialia Pisces and Panawat Kurdi, show deployable outfits and a Keanu Reeves-style editable character suitable for cinematic and interactive use, underscoring a production pipeline from asset kits to in-engine characters. Antix positions digital humans as licensable assets by enabling creators to rent, license, or sell the likeness of their virtual beings, connecting synthetic identity creation with clear monetization and IP control mechanisms, and signaling a marketplace model where businesses can deploy pre-existing digital personas with defined rights. Meta's job descriptions outline research into embodied agent systems for VR/Mr/R and foundational multimodal models via FAIR, indicating an R&D track toward virtual beings that perceive, reason, and act inside immersive environments, integrating language and vision with interactive control to support persistent, context-aware characters. Actra's condemnation of the AI-generated actress Tilly Norwood frames a labor and ethics issue around synthetic performers, highlighting union concerns over displacement, consent, attribution, and compensation when productions use AI-created talent, and marking a policy and governance frontier for digital humans in film and television. OzConvo Human, distributed by SBC&S, targets on-premises conversational virtual humans for privacy-sensitive enterprises, enabling branded, locally hosted assistants for customer engagement and corporate storytelling. Chunghwa Telecom positions virtual human technologies as front ends for AI contact centers, upgrading IVR to natural dialogue with brand-specific voices and recognition of Taiwanese languages. Schülerhilfe deploys Kira as a virtual teacher avatar to scale tutoring, demonstrating knowledge delivery by a persistent instructional persona. Nuwa AI promotes real person plus digital human partner workflows for co-presentations and guided interactions, while SenseTime frames LLM-driven gains in perception, dialogue, and task autonomy that raise digital human utility in service operations. Why My Hologram Cloud references DeepSeek-based digital human applications as part of an enterprise AI stack, and Alibaba Cloud appears as the surrounding infrastructure context for bringing such multi-vendor pipelines to production. Tungsing Technology surfaces in adjacent public interest deployments, indicating that co-presenter patterns and virtual service personas can transfer to accessibility and social impact scenarios. Rosie, a Korean virtual influencer, is cited as a finance sector spokesperson, and retail installations that blend LED walls with the physical store floor exemplify experience purchase funnels centered on a digital human lead. iHub's Sali, publicized via Tokyo AI Festival 2025 and prior Fuji TV exposure, functions as an event-grade conversational character for brand activations and live audience interactions. Melania Trump's AI digital avatar video demonstrates celebrity-led brand building with a controllable persona distributed via social platforms. Convo Humans on-premises architecture also supports marketing teams that require compliance-constrained, brand-safe virtual presenters deployed in stores, venues, and exhibitions. Particle 6 Productions introduces Tilly Norwood as a fully synthetic actress, positioning a virtual performer for casting, serial content, and publicity while provoking labor market concerns among human actors. The Sweet Idleness is described as AI-directed cinema that centers the social and narrative presence of the digital human, suggesting pipelines where synthetic characters and AI-assisted direction shape story production. Broadcaster use of digital human anchors in live coverage, and Kwaizu's large-scale concert livestreams, point to mixed human-synthetic presenting teams and rapid, multi-camera distribution where digital hosts can persistently front recurring formats. Nuwa AI's real person plus digital human partner model extends to stagecraft by pairing staff or talent with a synchronized avatar for co-hosting, Q&A, and skits. Axie Infinity continues to anchor NFT-native digital creatures as playable, collectible agents, connecting avatar ownership, training, and battle mechanics to a tradable economy and demonstrating how synthetic companions can embody progress, status, and financial value across releases like Axie Infinity, Origins. Industry commentary around Tilly Norwood underscores job displacement fears and control asymmetries, while the adoption of celebrity digital avatars foregrounds authorship, likeness rights, and audience authenticity. Enterprise narratives from SenseTime and WiMi Hologram Cloud emphasize capability growth via large models such as DeepSeek, raising governance questions about transparency, attribution, and human oversight as virtual humans take on branded speech and instructional authority. National language coverage of Chunghwa Telecom's assistance shows that dialect handling and cultural specificity are prerequisites for trust in public-facing virtual agents, and event-driven showcases like Tokyo AI Festival 2025 reflect a normalization of synthetic presenters within civic and commercial culture. On-premises deployment via Convo Human supports data residency, latency, and integration control. Cloud ecosystems around Alibaba Cloud support composition of vendors like Nuwa AI, SenseTime, WiMi Hologram Cloud, and DeepSeek for perception, language, and animation. Consumer pipelines enabled by OpenAI's Sora 2 and the Sorabi OpenAI app introduce digital double cameos and remix features, lowering the barrier for everyday users to insert personal avatars into video scenes and accelerating creator adoption of virtual beings across social video formats. The Chengdu premiere of the musical Neja 2 incorporates AI digital humans into the live performance process, allowing virtual characters to interact with the band and symphonic elements in a unified stage sequence, completing multimodal synchronization of lip movements, expressions and movements. To enhance the narrative and immersion of classic soundtrack clips, the holographic display and smart terminal interconnection solution of the Chengdu International Digital Cultural and Creative Festival empowers digital humans in performances and interactive installations, using spatial presentation and near-field interaction to meet the audience's needs for participation and content explanation. The two together demonstrate the application path of entertainment-oriented digital humans centered on stage performances and exhibition activities. Alibaba International Station's cross-border live streaming case uses digital humans to address time zone coverage and repetitive scripting. This automation automates product introductions, multilingual broadcasts, and basic consultations, maintaining a stable 24/7 live streaming capability and establishing a standardized marketing process driven by scripts and knowledge bases. In this approach, Alibaba International Station serves as a traffic and transaction platform, while digital humans provide reproducible content and customer service. The two work together to improve customer acquisition efficiency, conversion consistency, and scalability. The Digital Human Operation Base in Montego District launched the Meteorological Digital Human Linksy, which uses a standardized image, fixed personality, and an updatable text-to-voice/video broadcasting system to carry out routine meteorological information release and emergency warning prompts, unify the channel content caliber, and reduce the pressure of manual broadcasting, reflecting the demand characteristics of authority, stable online rate, and multi-channel simultaneous distribution in government scenarios. ByteDance and Zhejiang University are collaborating on long-form AI digital humans, emphasizing temporal consistency and long-term performance stability. This approach provides highly consistent virtual performance assets for film, television, and long-form video production. Anhui Zhechuan Information Technology Company, Limited, leveraging a hybrid convolutional neural network and transformer generation engine, combines real-time video stream processing with natural language interaction to achieve a complete engineering closed loop from model to system-level implementation. The company is positioned as a provider of the underlying capabilities for digital humans that can be reused in multiple scenarios, including live streaming, e-commerce, and enterprise services. Avatars and Physics-Based Animation, EMP-Avatar, is a framework for creating 3D clothed human avatars from multiview videos that couples a tailored material point method garment simulator with high-fidelity 3D Gaussian splatting rendering. Its simulator uses an anisotropic constitutive model and a mesh-based collider handling algorithm to model loose garment dynamics accurately and robustly, and the system exceeds the prior physics-based avatar Phys-Avatar in dynamics modeling accuracy, rendering accuracy, and simulation robustness and efficiency while generalizing zero-shot to interactions with unseen external objects. Multi-Human Generation and Identity Diversity, DISCO, is a reinforcement learning framework for multi-human image generation that fine-tunes flow matching models with group relative policy optimization, and a compositional reward that penalizes intra-image facial similarity, discourages cross-sample identity repetition, enforces correct person counts, and preserves visual fidelity via human preference scores without extra annotations. Trained with a single-stage curriculum, it achieves 98.6% unique face accuracy and near-perfect global identity spread on the diverse humans test set, surpassing both open-source and proprietary baselines. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.